So this is going to be a Q&A video. I have Jonathan in the back, Jalil in the back, and Jalil in the back. Oh, okay. Alright, Jonathan. Thank you. I love you. So I do have a tutorial on this look. It is not with these lips. I did like a pinky nudie lip for this look, and this is just my LA Pro Primer in black. So before I get started, this video is brought to you by LONGQI Hair. I'm wearing their Malaysian straight hair, 24 inches, 224 inches and 118-inch closure. It is very soft. It is extremely light, and that's just how Malaysian hair is. I've noticed that Malaysian hair is the lightest hair I've ever worn. It's really light. If I had in bundles, like Brazilian bundles, even like two, I would have felt it. But with the Malaysian, man, the Malaysian is just, it's just effortless. Look at that. Effortless. I've been working with LONGQI for years. I don't see myself stopping soon. I truly hope they continue to keep me. This month I really want to do a video every other month, and LONGQI is helping me with that, because whenever I get a new like hair or bundle or whatever, I am just completely eager to just get filming. It puts me in the frame of mind of, alright girl, let's get it, let's work. For this wig, I showed you guys how I made this wig in the very first video I did. I'm introducing you guys to the Malaysian straight. I showed you guys how I made the wig. I showed you guys how I did this tutorial, like from my foundation come all the way down, honey, like mama's got you, boo. But yeah, so again, my Malaysian straight from LONGQI Hair, and the packaging came really nice. It came in a pink like handheld bag. Gosh, I threw it up, but it came in a pink handheld bag. Extremely cost effective, environmental friendly. I love their packaging. I love LONGQI's packaging. I actually have one bundle left from, actually I got 3 24 inches and a 18-inch closure, and I chose not to add the other length, because I wanted the hair to be like this, you know what I mean, like thin, you know. Yeah, so I wanted the hair to be this thin, so I did not add the extra bundle in it. So this is what it looks like. You came number one. Yeah. Good job. And I flat ironed it with my Vanity Planet flat ironing brush. I love you. Okay, so here are the questions. Not a lot, because I just wanted to get a few questions in so I could make the video for you guys. So the first question is from Candice_89. She asks, how old am I? I am 33 years old. On the 3rd of December, I'll be 34. So Patricia_input says, girl, how do I see all the message? I can't say. Okay, it says, girl, you still don't tell us how you get your teeth so white. I use Smile Bright, but I haven't used Smile Bright in years, probably 2.5 years, I think. I haven't used Smile Bright, so I use Smile Bright, but other than that, I just brush my teeth, I guess. Only one episode says, nah, I make, oh, nah, I make it know after Fumi release, me I flood Juvia's with the name for the next collab. Wow. Oh my god, Emperor, thank you so much. So Juvia's Place is doing a collab, has done a collab with Fumi Desilu Fold. I've done a collab with her before. She's a new mother. I'm just awed by her story, and it's just where everybody thought, you know, like this would never happen for, you know, you're too old or whatever. Juvia's is collabing with her, and that just, it completely encouraged me, like, you know what, Simone, maybe this is possible. And I'm grateful for brands like Juvia's Place, who are, I'm actually wearing like the stuff today, like the foundation and eyeshadow anyway. So I'm grateful for brands like Juvia's Place, who are taking us, like the smaller YouTubers, and actually, good job, Bubs, and actually, you know, working with us, putting us on like their PR list, collaborating with us, posting us. So that really means a lot to me, and she's been following my name. I'm so grateful. That would be so cool if me and Jiva's place work on a palette. Yo, that's like a bit straight Jamaica. I'm just gonna take myself out of it and just, I even have color names already in my head, you know. Fun fact, I was reached out to Sedona Lace had reached out to me to do my own palette a couple years ago, and I don't know what became of it. The person that I've been in contact with said that they have gotten back to me. I had sent the design of the palette that I wanted, how many colors, I sent the names, and nothing ever happened. So I did not reach back out to the person. I'm a little bit apprehensive to do so, but maybe after this video I'm going to, but I'm a little bit apprehensive to reach out to the person to just remind them, hey, are you still want to collab? Am I relevant? You know what I mean? So yeah, anyway. So Brit_Britte says, why have you stopped wearing your wedding band? Because my husband and I got matching tattoos, so we don't wear wedding bands anymore. Okay. Casey Baby 32 said, oh, you're pretty, so oh my God, I'm a good mother. I'm a good mother. That's why I'm pretty, so that's why I'm pretty, so so eclectic_bell 2 says, I'm not asking to divulge too much, but where do you plan? Oh, she's asking if I plan to expand the Pome. And yeah, like I see Pome being like a gym, like a fully realized gym with all our products in there, like protein powders, fitness belts, towels, resistance band, like that. I envision a whole gym for Pome Fitness, and that's just gonna be the name, Pome Fitness, or maybe something else, but yeah. Gilly Bless_KK says, how do you balance working out and having kids? Well, to God with the glory, Jaleel actually takes the bottle. Jonathan did not take the bottle whatsoever when he was younger, obviously, but he never took the bottle, so I have to be constantly on my breast. When I had jobs, we used to go on the road, I had to take Jonathan with me, had to breastfeed him. He never took the bottle, he never took formula. With Jaleel, for the first 2 days of his life, I didn't get to see him, so I couldn't get to feed him. So they gave him formula when he was on the ward in the special care unit. So he got formula, and he didn't just take bottle, and I'm so grateful. Like friends, family, mostly family who help out with mostly family, namely my grandmother helps out. How long after your C-section you start to exercise? I actually started 4 weeks after my C-section, and if you guys know my story, it was a horrible experience. My birthing experience was very traumatic for me, and I didn't know it bothered me so much or affected me so much. I was afraid to carry Jaleel to the pediatrician because I thought she was going to take away Jaleel. Like she was going to say, oh, he's not feeling well, you know, I have to take him to the doctor or something, or say, we'll have to come to the hospital, or you have to come to the hospital. And I was afraid of him being away from me again, like overnight. So that fear didn't, because of that, I did take him like for 3 weeks to the pediatrician, or I think 2 weeks, I think. So we got a contact from Dr. Bamberry, and I went to the pediatrician yesterday. He got his shot, and I'm just completely grateful. So in terms of working out, I don't want you guys to think that something strenuous. I'm just walking. So I drive to the hill, walk up, walk back down, drive home, you know. So yeah. Updates on how I'm recovering Adore_my_flawless, I think it says. I'm recovering really well according to Dr. Bamberry, and I also feel it in my body, and I credit everything to the hill, because you know, like before I started walking, I was cramping up a lot, and that has a lot to do with recovery, obviously, but I feel like just getting up and out there helped with my recovery, especially my mental, because we have to recognize that everything is linked: the mental state, the emotional state, and the physical state. And because I wasn't leaving the house, I was getting very depressed, very sad, and I was extremely moody, and I would notice it. Like I would just be very like effervescent, energetic in the morning, and by midday I'm down, or vice versa. Down in the morning, midday midday I am, you know, my everything just changed. My C-section looks so good, like you can hardly tell it's there, but right above it where my belly was actually took Jaleel from, it's still numb, and Dr. Bamber said that that's normal and that it will go after a time, but I can expect some numbness for a while. So yeah. So sexy_fake says, how is the newborn going? I pray all is well with you. It says some of these things are cut off, and I don't know why they're cut off. It's only allowing me to share the response. How is it going? Oh, eligible with you and the family. Okay. So newborn is, we're adjusting. I mean, he wakes up probably 2-3 times at night. I remember I still have to wake up to go to the hill. So I sleep in the days when I can after I'm done filming and editing and stuff. I sleep in the days. I was not recording anything for weeks, probably 2.5 weeks or so. And the truth is, I just did not want to record. I was not in the frame of mind to record anything. So when I get wigs, I say, or hair, it really puts me in the frame of mind of recording. One, the companies need a video. Two, it makes me feel good that I can actually do something and I get encouraged to get dolled up or whatever. So newborn is going well and the family is doing really well. So Polo_B69 says, how has motherhood changed you? It has not at all. If anything, it has made me more alert, but it hasn't changed me as a person. Physically, I've gained a ton of weight. I shot up to 215 pounds with Jaleel. That's my heaviest. This is Jonathan. My heaviest was 197 pounds. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Colleen_Stewart5 says, how's your baby and how are you coping thus far? Well, as I said, Jaleel is doing well and we're coping, you know, good. I'm adjusting to waking up in the mornings and the nights to tend to him because I do co-sleep. Even though I'm having like crib, bassinet, everything, pack and play, whatever, I do co-sleep with Jaleel. It just gives me peace of mind that I can just roll over and he's there rather than have to get up off the bed, comfort him, nurse him, then put him back and then go back. And when they're putting on a baby, I have to be like, nobody breathe, nobody move. So I don't do that. I just turn over and pop my booby out and let him just eat to his heart content. Right, so yeah. So Suji Love says, how you finding it to go to the hill in the morning and back routine? Hold on. It's how you finding it to go to the hill in the morning and back to routine before pregnancy? Well, I guess you're asking me, you know, how has it changed? Went to the hill, then I know. It has changed drastically. A big factor is me, as I said, waking up, you know, 2 to 3 times a night to tend to Jaleel. Having to carry the boys over by grandma, know where I am. I used to walk to the hill, like jog Phoenix, walk to the hill, do the hill, then walk home. I really miss all that cardio and I can't do that anymore. Well, not for now because I'm so heavy and I feel the weight when I'm going up the hill. So I just taking my time, you know, to come back. I'm not pressuring myself at all. If I was, I would be jogging, but I just taking my time, you know. And it's difficult for me to take my time because I know what my body can do, I know where my body can go. But because I had the C-section, I just feel like it's treating me so differently. I did my intermittent fasting for 2 weeks and I know what I'm doing and I know how to lose weight and I gained weight, you guys, which is crazy. So that wasn't helpful at all. So I have to change up everything that I'm doing now. So yeah. If I see you on the hill, can I say hi to you because I'm afraid? Of course. That's Chevy_Chevy. So Alhari Miller says, how do you know what Pome Fitness belt to get? Oh, easy. You just Instagram us, Pome Fitness, or Instagram me, Rochester, and I'll send over the price list and also the sizes that would fit you. But for now, we only have large and the extra large in stock. We will be restocking, and restocking looks really good, as in I can put some money down to that. in a month or two. In a month. 2 is way more realistic. And I'm sorry it's so long, but man, it's just what you have to do. It's literally just me, you know. So yeah. So D_Shelby Girl says, motivational messages about life in general. That's coming up after this video. So Beauty by _T says, I'm an upcoming artist. How do I get clients? I tried everything and nothing. Okay, so the best thing that I can do to get clients is just put yourself out there. Before and after pictures work wonders. Even if you're uncomfortable, I'm guaranteeing you have at least one fan, at least one person that don't have a clue on how you do what you do. So you'll have a fan for life, you'll have a supporter for life, you'll have a client for life. Always remember that you can't be afraid to put yourself out there, especially when you're starting. As entrepreneurs, we get the brunt of whatever failure that comes along with it. We get the criticism and everything, but it just comes with the territory. You know, we get the unsolicited advice, and again, it just comes with the territory of being an entrepreneur, especially in this day and age where social media is thriving. So I would definitely say your Instagram up and running, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Snapchat, your YouTube, get everything up and running. Do not be afraid to put yourself out there. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to ask your friends to do their face for free. And if you can't get your friends to do your face every single day. Beat your mug, do your face. Put yourself out there. That's what I do anyway. I don't know what else is there to do. That's what I'm telling you what I did. You know, to get clients. And use hashtags as well. You know, utilize the hashtags for Instagram. So Sheeby_Sim says, no questions, just to say you're my favorite YouTuber. Oh, I love when you keep it real. Thank you. And I Am Her says, how's life going with a new baby in the house? And I already answered that for you guys. Oh God, almost 15 minutes. Thank you so much, you guys, for staying tuned with me. Look at me trying to fix up my background with my boys all over the place. But yeah, this is my life now, because Jonathan loves to be where Jaleel is, and Jaleel is typically with me, because if him start to fuss, instead of me running to the other room, I can just reach over and then, you know, I can tend to him, so it's easier for me. But Jonathan loves him some Jaleel, like loves him some Jaleel. So he's always in here with me. Jonathan is battling a cold now, so Jaleel got catch it, and now my throat like feel dry, not a dryness there, so yeah. And yeah, so thank you for your support, you guys, for everything. LONGQI, I don't know y'all the plug, man, and I'm just grateful that you guys are still working with me. Please go ahead and show LONGQI some love and some support. You know, follow them on Instagram, message them, let them know that you watch my video, love the hair, all that good stuff. And of course, for all the discounts and everything from LONGQI that LONGQI has to offer, I'm going to put that in the description bar for you guys, so don't forget to check the description bar, you guys. So that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Mwah. Okay, guys. Why am I mwahing now? But I like it. Mwah. Bye, guys.